Today I will show you how to remove anything from your image just in 5 seconds. Just unlock your layer and select Remove Tool from the toolbar. Make sure that all the 3 options on the top of the page are enabled. Now all you need to do is draw on the objects you want.
I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
If the result isn't perfect, you just need to draw on the areas again to fix them all.
Of being incompetent, mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day.
If you want more quick tricks like this, I will drop more soon. Thanks for watching.